Dear students, today we will discuss a very small chapter from your syllabus, but an important chapter, fiber reinforced concrete. This is the fiber reinforced concrete in which, in addition to aggregate, cement, and water, some material which are known as fibers are introduced in concrete to improve the property of concrete, mainly the strength. What is FRC? Fiber reinforced concrete. Fiber reinforced concrete can be defined as a composite material consisting of mixtures of cement, mortar, or concrete and discontinuous, discrete, uniformly dispersed suitable fibers. Fiber reinforced concrete are of different types and properties with many advantages. Continuous meshes and long wires or rods are not considered to be discrete fibers. What is aspect ratio of fiber? Fiber is a small piece of reinforcing material possessing certain characteristic properties. They can be circular or flat. The fiber is often described by a convenient parameter called aspect ratio. The aspect ratio of the fiber is the ratio of its length to its diameter. Typical aspect ratio ranges from 30 to 150. Aspect ratio L by D is calculated by dividing fiber length L by its diameter D. Fibers with a non-circular cross-section use an equivalent diameter for the calculation of aspect ratio. What is orientation of fibers? See, here the direction of the load is given and in the first stage the fibers are aligned parallel to the direction of the load, whereas in the second figure the fibers are perpendicular to the direction of load, and in the third case they are placed randomly. So this is the orientation of fiber, either parallel to what? Parallel to direction of load, perpendicular to the direction of load, and randomly placed. Effect of fibers in concrete. Fibers are usually used in concrete to control plastic shrinkage cracking and drying shrinkage cracking. They also lower the permeability of concrete and thus reduce bleeding of water. Sometimes some types of fibers produce greater impact abrasion resistance in concrete. The amount of fibers added to a concrete mix is measured as a percentage of the total volume of the composite. That means concrete plus fibers, termed as volume fraction VF. VF typically ranges from 0.1 to 3%. So volume of fibers ranges from 0.1 to 3%. Factors affecting properties of fiber reinforced concrete are relative fiber matrix stiffness, that means quality of the fibers used, volume of fibers, aspect ratio of the fiber, orientation of fibers, workability and compaction of concrete, size of coarse aggregate, and mixing method and mixing time, the quality of mixing. Effect of aspect ratio, orientation, and percentage of fibers. The important factor which influences the properties and behavior of the composite is the aspect ratio of the fiber. It has been reported that up to aspect ratio of 75 increase on the aspect ratio increases the ultimate concrete linearly, but beyond 75 aspect ratio relative strength and toughness is reduced. Means if you increase the aspect ratio up to 75, there is increase in strength of concrete, but beyond 75 the strength and toughness is reduced. It was observed that the fibers aligned parallel to the applied load offered more tensile strength and toughness than randomly distributed or perpendicular fibers. Steel fiber contain in excess of 2% by volume and aspect ratio of more than 100 are difficult to mix. Steel fiber contain in excess of 2% by volume and aspect ratio more than 100 are difficult to mix. Then different types of fibers used in concrete: steel fiber reinforced concrete, polypropylene fiber reinforced PFR concrete, glass fiber reinforced concrete, asbestos fibers, carbon fibers, and organic fibers. Then the questions which are often asked in theory examination of concrete technology subject are: what is FRC, fiber reinforced concrete? What are the advantages of FRC? What is aspect ratio of fiber? What is orientation of fiber? What are the factors affecting strength of fiber reinforced concrete? What are the different types of fibers used? And state true or false. Aspect ratio of fiber is beyond 75. Relative strength and toughness is reduced. Yes, it is true. Fiber aligned parallel to the applied load offered more tensile strength and toughness than randomly distributed or perpendicular fibers. Yes, this is also true. So this completes the introduction to fiber reinforced concrete. Thank you.